Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm primarily focuses its energies on family law. Please subscribe to our channel so you can learn more about that interesting topic. Today we're going to talk about getting sole custody. A lot of times we'll get calls, how do I get sole custody of my kid? Well, you got to understand something. That question doesn't really mean much in the context of the law, because there's really two types of custody. One can get sole physical custody meaning where the child actually lives, while having to share legal custody in a joint scenario. Legal custody more has to do with decision making of the child. So when somebody says, how can I get sole custody, what are they asking? Are they asking, how can I get sole physical custody and I'm okay with sharing legal? Or can I get sole physical custody and sole legal custody, which would mean the other parent is really not involved in any significant way in the raising of this child? Well, if the latter is what you're going for, it's very, very difficult. You're going to have to show that the other parent is so disqualified from providing any legitimate contribution to major decisions that, in that scenario, that person can't possibly weigh in on school decisions, health decisions, these kind of important religious decisions, anything that's fundamental. And how do you do that? How do you tell the court that this person who I chose to have a child with is so bankrupt with respect to any legitimate contribution that they offer that I need to make all the decisions regarding our child? It's a very tough sell. It's very tough to do that. The more likely scenario is the court might consider granting you sole physical custody while allowing both parents to share the legal custody. If that's what you are going for, the odds of getting that are much greater, because you're asking the court for a much simpler task. Not that physical custody is simple, but it's a lot simpler to get that, if the facts support it, than to get that and sole legal custody. If you have any questions about that, of course, reach out, call today. We'll be glad to help you out.